Comparing me and that's the truth. Sometimes I'm not really sure what to do. Should I let you be, or should we speak? I get all the struggles you've been through. I know she made you feel that way, but you don't gotta worry, I'm here to stay. It don't matter.
Is this on? Hi Rose fam, and hi to those who are new. My name is Rosina Fame, and on this channel we do everything. We sing, we dance, we showcase our sense of style. And today we are gonna have a SHEIN try-on. So we are gonna try on this beautiful black shirt. When I saw this, I was like, I gotta get it. So I got this shirt on, y'all, and I'm really feeling it. Let me put my hair in the back so you can see the detail of the shirt. First of all, these puffs, I love this. It's giving me a classy look. Like, I'm loving it. I got this in a size medium, by the way, and I'm glad I got it in a size medium because I actually wanted to get it in a small, but it actually would have been too small, so it's fitting pretty good. And just look at this, y'all. You see the crisscross? Yes, that is so cute. Like, SHEIN, y'all did y'all thing with the shirt, cause I am feeling it. And let me know down in the comments if you guys are feeling this shirt too, because I sure am. Like, okay, I'm gonna dress this up. All right, okay. So I had to go and grab my SHEIN headband because we had to add a little bling or something. So what y'all think? I think this is cute, the headband with the shirt and everything. Yes, I love it. Now we are gonna try the next shirt. Funny thing is, it's the same shirt but in a different color. Listen, I was on SHEIN and I like this shirt, and for some reason I was like, let me get it in a different color too, because this shirt is really cute. So stay tuned. So I got this shirt on and it looks so cute. I'm loving this pink color, and the thing is, I'm not that much of a fan of pink, but I'm loving this. Like, again, the crisscross, got it in a size medium, and I'm just loving the puffs. Like, oh, so cute and classy. You guys can see it. So a crisscross all around, so your back is out. It's not like attached to it. Well, it is attached like in the front, but in the back, it's like this right. Cute. Okay, now we are going to try on this shirt right here, and I'm gonna tell you guys, when I saw the shirt, I really wanted it. Like, I think this was the first shirt that I even got. Like, I was like, I gotta have this shirt. So we're gonna see what it's all about. So I know I called this a shirt. To me, it's a shirt and a sweater together, because you can rock it like a cute little shirt and then you can rock it like a sweater. This is very versatile. First of all, let's talk about this. Like, you see what I'm saying? Pretty girl. That is what it says, pretty girl. Like, what? Hold up, what? That is so cute. Like, if I had my nails done or just had rings on, this would look so cute and glamorous. And then on top of that, what makes it versatile is there's two zippers. So you could like wear it down here and then have it a little open here if you wanted to. Have like a cute little slit type look. That is so cute. SHEIN knows what they doing, because I am loving this. Let me show you the back. And it fits so well. And of course, I got this in a size medium. And yes, I'm loving this. I'm gonna rock this. Like, I'm gonna rock it. And again, her man looks nice with it. So let me know in the comments what y'all think. On to the next, on to the next. So we are on to our next shirt. And this shirt looks cute. Ooh, yes. Okay. Y'all, this shirt is so cute. I'm loving the style. I like it. It's a little poofy here. By the way, I got this in a small. It runs a little big, so I'll say size down. But yeah, this shirt is so cute. I love it. And the fact that you see the V, like, this is so cute. And it's not all the way off the shoulder, if you know what I mean. Like, it's a little bit off, but not all the way off. I like that, you know, showing the little bit of the shoulders, and then you know, this is nice. This is nice. And I want to show y'all what I'm wearing with it, like the pants I'm wearing with it, because I believe you can wear like black pants or pants like the ones that I'm wearing. I'm gonna show y'all. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all. This is what I'm wearing with it, you guys. With the shirt, I'm wearing these cute black gray jeans with it, but I believe jeans like this with a little style to it looks cute with this shirt, or even like some black jeans. But this shirt looks nice, and as you see, it's not too cropped, like it's not all the way up here or anything, but it's like right here. And these are kind of high waist, so if you wear low waist, it will make it look more short. But I think it really looks nice with some high waist jeans. Oh, I'm loving this shirt. Ah. Okay, so we are gonna try on this black undershirt, and then we're gonna try on this brown shirt that's gonna go over the black undershirt. So okay, so this is the undershirt, and it's very comfortable. I'm loving the material. Also, when I put it on, it was pretty loose. The straps were pretty loose, so I had to adjust it, but it fits good. It fits really good. Like all these shirts that I done tried on in this haul is very comfortable. Okay, you guys, so this is how the shirt looks with my undershirt. It is so cute. I'm loving it. It's very comfortable. Material was good, not itchy. Oh, I like this. And hold up, wait a minute. I could actually button this and other button and wear it like this too. Okay, yes, I am loving this, guys. I got this in a size small, and it fits really good. It fits really good. So oh, love it. Yes. Oh, now on to our last shirt. So I wanted to surprise you guys, so I didn't show y'all what shirt I was gonna try on, but here it is, and boy does it look good. Oh my gosh. Okay, so remember when I did a video where I rated my sister's SHEIN outfits, and she had this shirt, and I told y'all I was gonna get my own. I got my own, okay? And to top it off, it's in a different color, black and white. And when she got it, they didn't have that color. But when I went to get the shirt, I saw it in this color, and I said, ooh, I have got to have it. And I'm so happy that I did. I want to tell you guys that this shirt right here, I bought this separate. It's like a tube top to put under, because you know I don't want to show too much over here, you know, so I got a tube top under, and it's black, so you can see like the cute draperies. Let me move up close so you can see this. Like, this shirt is really nice. Like, oh my gosh, like I'm loving it. Yes. Oh, SHEIN, y'all just gonna take all my money. Like, y'all seriously gonna take all my money. You guys, y'all just give me some good clothes. Like, I am loving it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had so much fun doing it, and this won't be our last. I told y'all I'm coming with it. I'm coming with all the clothes, SHEIN haul, everything. Like, we doing it all. And thank you so much, SHEIN, for the clothes, because these are nice and comfortable. I love them. Like, I literally love them. Like, you see this out? Like, I love them so much. But comment down below which one is y'all favorite. Right now, I don't know which shirt is my favorite, because they all unique in their own special way. So I'm just like, oh, I don't know. But comment down below y'all favorite. I think my favorite is probably like the gray like type off the shoulder with the faces on it. But yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.